Hey, Lightsabers, welcome back to the channel. So today I got another lightsaber video, unboxing and review video to do. And this one is Rose lightsaber. It's number 7 in the series. And there's Ray. And yeah, this is almost the same as what Luke Skywalker's looks like on the box. Yeah, but let's open it up and see what it looks like. So, now, I live from Freedom Toys over in Hong Kong, where I got my other two lightsabers with the roots. So here is Ray's saber in a box. What's that? So it was same as usual. Stand and instructions. Or if leaving the stand. Let me see. Stand instructions in a box. And just and put the box. Yeah, if a second. So here we go. More fun. Here. Here. Last one there. Alright, so where get one clip. Now it's put that down there. So this is Ray's saber. And what looks similar to Luke's, as it should, because it's supposed to be the Skywalker saber. Protective sleeve over here. So this is a bit different to Luke's. First things first, this velvet here is different, and the activation switch is different. It's got lines, whereas Luke's has got over around bubbly looking things on his. But all in all, I do actually quite like this. Of course, this is the lightsaber from 7, 8, and 9. And how it works, it's got a little belt clip here at the end, which is also where your batteries go. And this one takes 3 AA batteries, which are these. So let's put that in. So I've actually got 2 more lightsaber reviews coming out, and they are the 2 new lightsabers have just been released, which is Kit Fisto and Count Dooku. So this is the battery pack. Just so all the speaker if the noise comes out. One. Here is 2. And here is 3. Beverage hit one away on me. So, here's your arrow again. Again, arrow is very important. So, here's what we do. We get a ball of the saber. There is a yellow arrow in there. It's a bit hard to see, but you can see a bit of yellow in there. Put it in there. You get the bottom of the hilt. I want to cooperate. Then all we do is don't want to cooperate, does it? now it's starting to it's a bit hard to turn these just because of how small the bottom of it is. And so there's a belt clip part of it to help turn it out and put it into place. Again, these do not come with belt clips. Okay, it's nice one. So they actually don't come with belt clips. They're just, because they give up because this is just how they're made. Turn on the on-off switch. Boom. That looks cool. Red and oil. There's a little bit of sun coming in the window, but that should make a difference. Wow. That is bright. That is cool. And that is bright. As you can see, like same sound card as yours, same and noise. This one feels a lot wider, but it could be. No, it looks about the same size as what Luke Skywalker's did. There are differences, and this is why a bit hard for you guys to see here on camera. There's a little square bit here, just there. That's not on Luke's. And I'm not particularly sure as to why it's even there. But it feels really, really nice. 'cause I can't really do much in my confined space. I'll be going outside. I know I still gonna do nighttime videos for Aside Adventures and Luke Skywalker, the Green One. They will happen. Just that I've got a rescue dog that's out in the garage at the moment, and I can't really open the door because it's still bolt. So I might have to go upstairs and do it out the front. But I'll see what happens tonight. So this video could be going up tonight or could be going up tomorrow night, just depending on what's going on. Now this is really cool. I like this one a lot. I can't wait to see what we'll play in the dark. Again, I do have 2 other Lightsaber videos coming out. I've got Kit Fister and Count Dooku. They also live this morning. So I'll be releasing them over the next few weeks as well as Mace Windu, which I've already got. He was my first one that I got. But I will do an unboxing review for him, but I will do a review on that one. But yeah. I'm not I think they're going to get Luke Skywalker's one. And I'm going to just quickly do a comparison. So I'm not going to stop the video back in 2 seconds. Feel in 2 seconds. Anyway, so this is Luke's. That's square. So here's one. As you can see, here's Luke's. It was. I think they're the same brightness. That one is the other side. Everything is actually the same as apart from activation switches. That one's got little bubbles down. That one's just got the orange coat. Oh, I've got Malgus again. I look pretty cool though. I think they're the same. The brightness is the same as it should be, because they're practically the same lightsaber. All you can use is this the activation switch. But all in all, nice. So the bottom of this has got a little dip in it, whereas Luke's doesn't. So there is a difference again. Of course, Luke's got those little bubbles on the top of his there. But yeah. That means I can do. Pretty cool. So I'll take this outside later tonight. I will do a nighttime video. So we'll take this outside tonight and I will show you guys wildlife outside.